Good morning, students. How are you? Today I will show you the another one points. One more fields I will add and show you their functions. Sometime you have seen anytime the like ATM card and any there it particular function has given that is only for 4 number, yeah, 2 number, 6 number you can enter. More than 4 number you cannot enter. More than 5 number you cannot enter. Means it has mentions only the 3, 4, 5, 6 number you can type. More than you cannot type. Okay, so let us start to the access. Start Microsoft Office and access. You can see that database we have created. I have already told this is our only one database, class 7. Okay, this is the screen, table number 1, our project. Okay, previous class I have done how to edit the phone format. I hope you have practiced, and I have told you minimum 10, yeah, 15 students, your friends names you will enter. Okay, now let us to go to the design view. That day already you have done state. Now phone number also done, last one. What we will do here, one more points we will add here, that suppose this is town. Okay, otherwise city. Sometime you have seen the city we are write always short form. Okay, like Rampurhat RPH. Okay, Sainthia SNT. Okay, like the short form we are use Howrah HWH, like that. Here also I want to do only the 3, yeah, 4 digit we will type. More than 4 digit we will not type. Suppose Rampurhat AMP, more than 4 character we will not take. Clear? Now what we will do, that time we will data type we will select short text. Clear? You can see the short text. Now lot of questions coming, sir, what is this field size? 255. Okay, this is the correct character. Now just now I told we cannot type more than 4, more than 5, more than 6, like this. So what we will do, like that time. Now I have mentioned here 4. Okay, the field size only 4, means more than 4 you cannot enter any character. Okay, now go to the data sheet, save. Now our one more see, you can see one more column add. Okay, now here we can type. Clear? So I am going to the next name number 20. Okay, suppose Shania, Rampurhat, West Bengal. Date suppose 17/4/2020, 17 April. Date format like this, anything. Now city. Okay, now you can see the Rampurhat I have written their address. Same thing if I write now RAMPU, you are not taking. Okay, why? I have given the only 4 character you can enter. Okay, here you can see only the 4 character I have entered. Okay, I cannot enter more than 4. Clear? Now I will go to the next. I hope you understood. So where we done of these things, view, design view, only field size I have changed. Field size I have mentioned only how many character you can allow. If you, I have mentioned here 4 means you don't think only 4. You can give the permissions, you can give the order only 5, yeah 2, yeah 6, like this. Okay, very good. Now one more field I will add here. Now rupees, currency. Okay, currency. Now currency. Okay, we sometimes we write amount. Okay, amount, like that you will write. Now amount, yeah, what that time what we'll do, we will choose the currency. Okay, currency here means you know that we will write the amount means money. Money purpose we will use of this type of field. Okay, now whenever we use the currency, one format is there, we will go to the format. Now we are Indian, we don't use the dollar sign. Okay, so basically we are use the decimal. Okay, so you can see the first one, general number, after decimal 3 digits are there, like that 3456.789. We will not take that one 789. So which one will take? Like this 3456.79. But you can see here after the thousand place we will give one comma. So here after the, you can see this one, after the thousand place comma is there. Okay, so and decimal also there. So I basically I will take this standard format. So format I choose the standard format. Clear? So this is the amount purpose. Clear? Now view, save, data sheet, save. Now see the, suppose Sania, it became, okay, Sukriti. Sukriti, suppose this one I will give Nalhati. This one 18, date has come 20, date, that you can see the format of phone. Okay, now Nalhati. Okay, now here also you just noticed Nalhati, H after H A is not taking. Okay, now amount I will give here okay. Now see the came the figure of after thousand place came the comma, but if this dollar sign is there, it basically it will not take. Now it is taking means the computer it has format the dollar figures, this software figure the dollar. So whatever you will select it, it will take now the dollar figures. Clear? If you go to the select is another one, then also it will take. Now happen? Just now I told, if you select and then that figure it will come. Okay, I hope everybody understood. Once again I am showing to another name. Okay, suppose Golam Nalhati, date came 4005, sorry, same thing. Now can see the dollar sign is not coming. Previous one I did not change, now I change, now you can see it is coming. Clear? So I hope today's class everybody understood. If you have any doubt, you can contact with me by phone. Okay, you know my phone number. Previous video you can see that my phone number I have given. You can contact with me by phone if you have any doubt. Okay, bye.